All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. We're doing another number break here for Futera, guys. 2016 Futera Unique Soccer. It's going to be number break number 25. 25. Good luck, good luck. We are going to go 7 times. 7 times, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Michael up on top. Grooves at the bottom. Again, 7 times on the numbers, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 on top. 7 at the bottom. Here's all your numbers, guys. Good luck. We got Vic with 1, Michael with 2, Groups 3, Vic 4, Groups 5, Michael 6, Group 7, Will at 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, sorry, that Will. You know it's been hot, fucking Vic. All right, we're gonna roll for the box. We're gonna go 1 through 4. One. All right, good luck, guys. What's up, David? What's up, Bobby? What's going on, man? All right, good luck, guys. We got Keylor Navas as 4. 4 is going to Vic. We got Ivan Rakitic going to 1 as Vic. Marcos Rojo going to 5 in Grooves. Stefan DeVries going to 0 and Will. Marco Royce going to 2 as Michael. Dennis Prayet, 7 rookie, going to Grooves. Jose Fonte as 1. 1 going to Vic. As Honda going to 1 and Vic. And we got Pedro Silva as number to 21. Pedro there for Spain. That is going to 10 of 21. That is going to Will. Pedro Silva. Pedro Silva. Next, we got Dennis Bergkamp. Great. That is 2. Going to Michael. Carlos Tevez. That is 9. 9 going to Will. Nice little Ronaldo base. Going to 5 in groups. We got Robert Perez and first hits, 2 color, Michael Laudrup. 2 color there. A little black up on top. Michael Laudrup. That's going to 50 of 99. Going to Will. 50 of 99. Jersey from the 1988 European Championships held in West Germany. Match day program from Denmark versus Italy. William Freeman.
Well, that wood in the shower is tight. That 1,000-pound brick island, nope, tight. That pricey Italian marble, not pricey, not marble.
And the appearance was 3. 3 is groups. All right, we got Khrushchev at 6. Going to Michael. That is Yuto. 1. Going to Vic. Diego Maradona. Going to 0. And Will. Keylor Navas. That is 4. Going to Vic. Luis Figo, nice little heritage, number to 50. Figo, that is numbered 1 of 50. That's going to Vic Figo. Next we got Roberto Firmino. That is 8. 8 going to Will. Jerome Boateng. 6. 6 going to Michael. We got Karim Benzema. Going to 3. And Grooves. We got John Stones. Rookie going to 0. And Will. Next we got Luka Modric. We got 6. 6 going to Michael. Thiago Silva and nice one, Giorgio Chiellini. Jersey. Card features a piece of Chiellini's Italy Game Worn number 2 jersey from the Olympic playoff match versus Iraq. 27th August 2004. Chiellini. Going to 8, 38 of 59. Going to Will. 38 of 59. And Silva was 6. 6 is Michael. We got Pavel Nedved. Pavel Nedved, that is 1. Going to Vic. Jose Fonte. Going to 1. Also Vic. Wilfred Boni. That is 4. Going to Vic. Tony Kroos. 4. Going to Vic. Vincent Kompany. Going to 5. And Grooves. Hernan Crespo. 5. Grooves. Ross Barkley. 2. As for Michael, we got Mateo Kovacic. Going to 3 in groups. Stefan DeVries. 0 and Will. Carlos Baca. 2. What a Michael. David Silva. 6. What a Michael. Son. And we got nice Olivier Giroud for France. Jersey. Arsenal game worn number 12 jersey from the Champions League match in the 2013-14 season. Giroud. That goes to 46 of 59. That is Michael. 46 of 59. of 59. Son was going to 1. 1 is Vic. Last box. Hopefully it's a big box here. Well, there it is. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So you got Vic, Michael, Groobs, Vic, and Groobs. Good luck, guys. All right, we got Honda. As 1 going to Vic. Alexis Sanchez going to 7. And Groobs. David Luiz going to 7. And Groobs. Martial going to 4. And Vic. Mueller going to 0. And Will. Wilfred going to 4. And Vic. Vincent Company going to 5. 5 is Groobs. Hummels going to 3. 3 is Groobs. Hakan Sokur 7 going to Groobs. Koscielny, and we got, well, it's only going to go to 1 person. That is a 1 of 1. Good luck, Vic. Who are you going to get? You are going to get Nuno Gomez. And cover the code here. Nuno Gomez. Gold-plated autograph, 1 of 1. No mem on that one. That's to Vic. Congrats, Vic. 1 of 1 to end off the case, end off the box there. Appreciate it, guys.